I'll walk you through 4 remedies in this video for Windows 11 issues with the Photo Enhancer. At first, open the settings on your system. Then, click on the Apps on the left-hand side. After that, tap on the Apps and Features on the right-hand side. Now, check for the Microsoft Photos in the list of apps. Then, click on the 3-dot menu and tap on the Advanced options to access it. You can either repair or reset the Photos app. Now, tap on Repair to repair the Photos app. After repairing the Photos app, open the image file and enhance it. If you are still seeing the error message, tap on Reset. Then, click on Reset again to confirm the action. After that, close the Settings page. At first, press the Windows key plus R keys together. Then, copy-paste this code and hit Enter to open the troubleshooter settings. MS Settings, Troubleshoot. Now, tap on the other troubleshooters. Then, scroll down to the Windows Store Apps troubleshooter. Tap on Run the Troubleshooter to run the Store Apps troubleshooters. Open this link on your browser. When Store opens up on your browser, scroll down and tap on Get. Now, tap on Open to open this in the Store app. Further, tap on Get in the Store app to install the add-on to your system. At first, open the File Explorer. Then, on the left-hand pane, right-click on Space and tap on Show Libraries. Now, on the right-hand side, you will find the Library section. Just right-click on it and tap on Show More Options. Now, click on the Restore Library to restore the libraries. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.